Okay, so we've got a similar setup to that which we had on the Euro Yen earlier this week. So we're short the Euro Yen based on this engulfing candle here, and we trailed using this red line, and we were stopped out for profit down here. I think it's about £360, I think. And similar strategy, different setup, but the euro dollar, so again the black moving average is below the red moving average, so we're looking for short positions. So we've broken below the black line here, we've come up, we've touched that black moving average, we've then inputted the bearish engulfing candle here, and we entered a trade based on the close of that bearish engulfing candle. Obviously the software does that for us, so as soon as this closes, trade's entered, and our stop loss is at the previous high, and as soon as this red line breaks below our initial stop loss, we'll trail using this red line. So there's speech going on at the moment in America, in the US, so the value of the dollar has actually gone up at the moment quite drastically, so we're in this trade, and that's the floating P&L down here. So this is the live results of that at the moment. Obviously they're not realized gains at the moment because I haven't closed the trade. We're going to stick to the plan and trail using this red Lonchan channel. So this is the previous high of the previous 9 bars, and that's what we're trailing it by. So yeah, I'll update when we finally close out of this position. So just a quick update on this trade. As you can see here, this was our initial entry up here. Price has waterfalled quite a lot here, so we've been trading based on this red line here, so the previous high, the previous 9 bars. So as soon as this candle closes, that our stop loss is down here at the moment, this high here. So as soon as this candle closes, it will move down to this high here. We're up £1,800 on this trade, so I'm half expecting, because this is such a huge sell-off, I'm half expecting price to start to recover here. So we might, throughout that recovery, we might get stopped out. So our trailing stop will probably move down a couple more bars. But if you look here, this is going to be the high right here, and at the moment we're only 4 candles ahead of that, so we need 9 candles before the stop loss moves again. So I'm half expecting, it's 6:30 in the evening now, I'm half expecting this to get stopped out overnight. I could exit the trade here at plus £1,800, but I've got a plan, I'm sticking to the plan. There's no point me doing all of this testing and everything if I'm going to just do my own thing anyway. So I'm sticking to my strategy, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, we're out of this trade now. So we've managed to catch this huge move to the downside. It has actually continued moving lower. So in a previous clip I mentioned, I think we're around here, I mentioned that I was expecting price to start retracing slightly higher, and I was expecting us to get stopped out, which has happened. So we've been stopped out here, just broken slightly above this red line here, so the high of the previous 9 candles, which was this candle here. We broke just slightly above that and stopped us out for, you can see down here, just over £1,700 profit. Since then price has waterfalled off again, but we're obviously out of this trade now, so yeah, we'll see what happens, but at the end of the day we're out of the trade. We've taken the profits and we can't complain about that. £1,700 in just over 2 days. So it's 5:30 on a Friday, so the market's about to close. So yeah, all in all, not a bad week. The previous trade before this, we closed out on Monday on the Euro Yen, similar position. That was just a small one on the gold. Yeah, so Euro Yen, similar position. We closed out on this on the 11th for £323. So yeah, overall up £2 grand this week. Not a bad week at all.